How to ignore deprecation warnings in Python. I keep getting this. How do I make this message go away? Is there a way to avoid warnings in Python?
You should just fix your code, but just in case.
I had this. Fix it with. Now you still get all the other deprecation warnings, but not the ones caused by.
From documentation of the warnings module. If you're on Windows, pass ignore column deprecation warning as an argument to Python. Better though to resolve the issue by casting to int. Note that in Python 3.2, deprecation warnings are ignored by default.
None of these answers worked for me, so I will post my way to solve this. I use the following at the beginning of my main.py script and it works fine. Use the following as it is, copy-paste it. Or one-liner, thanks Philippe Remy's comment. Example. I found the cleanest way to do this, especially on Windows, is by adding the following to c:\python 26 /lib/site-packages/site-customize.py. Note that I had to create this file. Of course, change the path to Python if yours is different.
If you want to support the channel,